Hi, it's Dawn here, and today I'd like to take a look at this toy. You got this doll here who's about 6 inches. This is about, let's say, 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Very well made, very cute. This kind of doubles as a little handle over here, so you can make them fly through the air. There's an on-off switch on the bottom. Your battery compartment's over here. Turn this on and push this button. There is a magnet or something up here where her flower is that will attach to the nose.
I love you too, Zerora.
And then they give a kiss.
You are so sweet. That's Zaracorn for hello. Aw, Zaracorn kiss. You're the sweetest, Zerora. Zahara's lamb. Zerora knows the way to Zarmay skies. Soaring high through the clouds with our magical wings. On our feet, Zaracorn, we see so many things. The cheerfully bright with my cheesy friends. I wish this adventure with you never ends. Let's go that way.
So this little stand back here holds her really well, and she doesn't fall off at all. Very secure in there. This is a great toy. Totally recommended. Very well made. These wings can pop out, but then they tend to, you are able to pop them back in just as long as you don't break them. And it works really well, and you can always shut it off in your speakers over there. So there you go. Thanks for watching.